Well, here we are on the harbour side in Torquay, and if we look across there, that is the venue for the 7:30 kickoff. Touristas, nothing but touristas. There it is. That is the London Inn. Yeah, keep going, keep zooming. That's the London Inn, or Wetherspoons. Oh, there we are. Here's the clock tower on the Strand. The sun is setting, and here is the harbour. Harry. Yes. English Riviera. And here are some well-known Wallies.